I'm Michael Thomas, and I'm the specialist for maintenance and grounds for JCPS. Daily basis, we get work orders in. If you look around a lot, we have anything from mowing to snow removal. At the lock shop, we handle emergencies on door locks and hardware. Paint shop, we'll do paint project stuff. As far as our ground shop, we handle everything from steps out of a school, then mowing the snow. And our job is to make sure that the schools and the surrounding areas stay clean. This every day is a challenge. We don't have the same thing happen. I may have an emergency on the south end of the town and have to go all the way across East Town for an emergency. I know our job is for the district, it's for the staff, the students. So if they're safe and that we try to make the building just more attractive for them to come to. So it's just challenging. It feels like when staff and students come to our schools, that's the first thing they see outside. We like fulfilling those needs and take care of the problem. I'm Michael Thomas, and I am JCPS.